welcome back to Duffy's World. So today's video is gonna be like a little goodbye, some for those who do not know, we have had birds for like years. One of them for like 11 years, the other one 11 years, almost 12, and then the other one for like maybe like 6, 7. So today is gonna be our last time having 2 birds. Why, Taja?
Because basically our family, we're all getting older, and because we're at home less, it's like my dad is just kind of he's come to the realization that it's probably best that we have other people take care of them, and so we're giving them away today. I have no clue to who. I hope it's to a family who will love and treat them as well as we did. So it's definitely it's a little bitter for me because I've known Sammy, our smallest bird, for as long as I've known my littlest sister, Symphony. We literally got Sammy when Zymph was maybe like just 2 weeks old. So Sammy he loves Symphony the most out of all of us. He kisses her, tells her he loves her. Like, they're like this, but at the same time, it's like, that attachment of knowing him for so long, and then Mariah had her as long. Still, that love there, and this is just going to be an adjustment for our family. I think we may be ultimately thankful that, we won't have that responsibility, but at the same time, it's still that attachment of having pets, and so it's really hard. It's like, that's why, for one, I don't want to get pets personally, because I know I'm going to live a busy life, and so for me, it's like so much easier just to not have pets than to, get attached to them only to one day have to give them up, because that's a reality that we're currently facing, and it's a little hard, but, it is what it is. I wonder what Zim's reaction is going to be, because she spends the most time with the bird. She cuddles with Mariah, takes naps with her. Sammy, whenever he sees Symphony near his cage, he gets off of his cage or flies to her. So this is going to be different, but ultimately I am thankful that they are being sold together, because Sammy is really attached to Mariah, and so it's just a lot, but it's okay.
Yeah, and we were supposed to like give them away like a while ago, but then it ended up not happening because life began to go crazy, and we just didn't have the time to like see who could get them. But at that time, Dad was telling us if we were gonna get them away, and then she started crying. So I wonder how she's gonna like respond to this time. And they're actually leaving like literally today. What is it? May 3rd. So yeah, but right now they're in the back. They're saying you can't see Mariah, but we're about to go get their wings and nails clipped so they can be all fresh for when whoever comes and get them. And then when we get home, me and Symphony is gonna have to clean their cages so their cages can be clean for their new owner. But I wanted to do this video because I feel like it was right, and plus we haven't posted a video for us, but we ain't gonna get into that.
Yeah.
But
it's only right to pay homage to Sammy and Mariah.
Yeah,
They've been like real
be like a stamp. We can go back and be like, wow, we gave them away on this day. But yeah, so this is a little video of y'all seeing all the processes that we have to do to give them away.
Hello, pretty bird.
Mariah's cage. Which I don't know if it's supposed to look clean or clean. Do what you feel is best. Alright, I'm done. Why are you cleaning Mariah's cage? Okay, stop. Now open it.
So this is Sammy, and this is Mariah. Sammy's in the process of new feathers coming in, so every season he gets new feathers, so that's why he look like that. This is Mariah. He talks a lot. Hello, what you doing? How you doing? I love you. She says hello, and she talks a lot under her breath. Yes.